Hello everyone, I hope you all doing very well. So today we'll talk about how to increase our value in front of others and what to do so that people value us. It is very important for our life that how we look at others and how others sees us. We all want people to like and respect us. But friends, it is not as easy as it sounds, because people give that amount of respect to someone as he deserves. There are many such people in our life whom we value very much, but they do not value us at all. Neither they talks to you, nor does they like to hang out with you. They try to stay away from you. It can be any one of your friends, relatives, siblings, girlfriend, boyfriend, spouse, and many more. If they does not value you, then you must have often noticed that whenever you go to talk to them, they treats you rudely. Whenever you are in a group with your friends, they often try to look down on you or make fun of you. Why do they do this to you? Your other friends also live together, but why they don't make fun of them? They does not make fun of them because they are afraid of losing them. Whenever this happens to us, we get hurt a lot. And friends, then we feel that I will also do something big in my life so that people will respect me. Everyone will want to talk to me. Those who do not want to talk to me properly, those people will also want to be with me. Yes friends, you can definitely become such that people will value you a lot. But for that, you have to do some important things which we are going to tell you in the upcoming videos. But some of the points we are discussing in this video too. Point number 1. Try to be calm and silent. Your silent nature can attract anyone towards you. This is very powerful way to boost your value. Whenever you are silent and serious in a group conversation, people will want to talk to you by looking at you. There will be curiosity in their mind whether you are taking their words seriously or not. Whenever someone talks nonsense in front of you, then don't react at all. Then they will also feel that you are different from others. They will come to you more. Whenever someone talks to you, you should react to their words only a little bit. By doing this gradually, your value will start increasing in front of everyone. And whenever you talk to anyone through social media or talk in any social media group, then only react to those things which are worth answering and learn to ignore the rest. By staying calm, you will become mentally strong, and very soon you will start getting the results. People who do not like to talk to you till now, those people will also like to be with you and will also like to listen your words. Point number 2. Respect yourself and don't let yourself down. If you want people to respect you, then firstly you have to respect yourself. Don't be afraid to take your stand. For example, if you don't like something but because of your friend like it, just to stay fit in that ecosystem, you do that. This thing is the worst you can do for yourself. By choosing what people want, you are disrespecting yourself. Then why will people respect you? So respect yourself first and respect your thoughts, then the world will respect you. There is also a difference between respecting your thoughts and sticking to your narrative. It is okay and right to take a stand and have opinion, but you also have to understand others' perspective too. Maybe you are wrong. It is completely okay to be wrong. And understanding your mistake, making it correct will also attract people respect towards you. Point number 3. Start loving yourself and improve personal growth. When you genuinely love yourself, you create a mindset of acceptance. You become willing to accept your life stages and situations and take responsibilities for your actions. You also recognize where the love, happiness, passion, and authenticity come from. When you acknowledge the power of you holding over your life, you become satisfied with how you live it. You have to be committed to your own personal development. Ask yourself truthfully if you are really committed to your own personal growth. Do things that help you grow in wisdom, knowledge, understanding, relationships with people, and the result you command, etc. Give importance to yourself more than others. Always speak to yourself more than you speak to others. Start doing something new in your life. Don't tell anyone about your future plans. This will help you to grow yourself in your life because you will be always motivated after ignoring the world. Silently achieve your dreams and make them everyone shocked by your success, personality, and your lifestyle. Point number 4. Set your boundaries. Teach them how they can treat you. I always say this, set your boundaries. It is very important when you respect yourself. See, it always a mature move to ignore people's shit talk. But when they crosses a limit, you have to take a stand and make people realize that they don't have authority on you. If person is not respecting you, maybe because we have wrong perception that you can't live without him. What people can tell you, what you listen, it's all your choice. So remember, setting boundaries is very important. Point number 5, be kind and respect others. If you want people to respect you, then firstly you have to respect them. There is a famous line, give respect and take respect. See, when someone disrespects us, let's take example of your classmates or employee. What we think in our mind, why he is not respecting us, and we abuse him in our mind. But at the same time, we are also doing these things with others. If someone in our group targeting us, we target other one. So if you want to gain respect, respect others' emotions, their situation, their thought, respect them, always be kind with everyone. Your kindness, your good behavior with others, in return, you will get respect. And if you like the video, then please boop the like button under the video. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Till then, peace out.